Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on wallet app. After click on wallet app, click on this plus icon and click on loyalty card. After click on loyalty card, select card from here. After select card, show barcode and click on this option and enter member ID. After enter member ID, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved and loyalty card is added. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.